Understanding phylum Annelida, segmented worms. Objectives 1. Today we discussed another important and advanced group in the animal kingdom under the chapter Diversity in the Living World. 2. Our objective is to understand the vast diversity of true metazoans and explore phylum Annelida, the segmented worms. 3. By the end of this lesson, you will know its main characteristics, physiology, and important examples that are useful for Class 12 theory and practical understanding. Let's begin. Phylum Annelida includes long cylindrical worms with a body clearly divided into ring-like segments. Because of this segmentation, they are called segmented worms. Annelids are found in moist soil, fresh water, marine water, and even as ectoparasites on other animals. This phylum shows a much higher level of body organization compared to earlier worm-like groups. Characteristic features 1. Habit and habitat. Annelids occur in diverse habitats. Earthworms live in moist soil and are burrowing. Nereis is marine and active, while leeches such as Hirudinaria are freshwater ectoparasites on vertebrates. 2. Level of organization. Show an organ system level of organization with well-developed digestive, circulatory, excretory, and nervous systems. 3. Germ layers. Triploblastic with 3 distinct germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. 4. Body plan. Body is long, cylindrical, and divided externally and internally into similar segments, a feature called metameric segmentation. Each segment often contains repeated sets of organs. 5. Coelom. Coelomate. Possess a true coelom divided by septa, which acts as a hydrostatic skeleton and provides space for internal organs. 6. Symmetry. Bilaterally symmetrical. The body can be divided into 2 equal halves along a single plane. 7. Body covering and locomotion. Body wall has circular and longitudinal muscles and may bear chitinous bristles called setae for locomotion. In some marine forms like Nereis, paired lateral appendages called parapodia help in swimming and respiration. Special characteristics. Annelids show true segmentation, metamerism, both externally and internally, which allows more efficient and flexible movement. The presence of a true coelom and well-developed longitudinal and circular muscles makes peristaltic locomotion possible, especially in earthworms. Many annelids, like earthworms, are hermaphroditic with both male and female reproductive organs in the same individual, while others like Nereis have separate sexes. Earthworms are often called farmers' friends because they improve soil structure, aeration, and fertility by burrowing and feeding on organic matter. Leeches have anterior and posterior suckers, and their saliva contains anticoagulant substances that prevent blood from clotting while they feed. Physiology. Digestion. Digestive system is complete and straight, extending from mouth to anus. In earthworms, food is ingested, crushed in the gizzard, digested in the intestine, and absorbed into the blood. Respiration. In many annelids like earthworms, respiration occurs through the moist body surface, cutaneous respiration. In aquatic annelids, such as Nereis, parapodia or gills may help in gas exchange. Circulation. Annelids possess a closed circulatory system. Blood flows through a network of vessels and capillaries, and pumping hearts or loops help maintain circulation, allowing efficient transport of gases, nutrients, and wastes. Excretion. Excretory organs are segmentally arranged nephridia, which remove nitrogenous wastes and maintain water and salt balance. Nervous system. Consists of a pair of cerebral ganglia, brain, in the anterior region, connected to a ventral nerve cord with segmental ganglia, coordinating movement and responses to stimuli. Reproduction. Reproduction is usually sexual. Earthworms are hermaphrodites, but cross-fertilization occurs between two individuals. Development may be direct or with slight larval stages depending on the species. Examples: Ferretima, earthworm. Terrestrial, burrowing annelid, pushes soil fertility and structure. Nereis, marine annelid with parapodia, active swimmer and good example of aquatic adaptation. Hirudinaria, leech, freshwater ectoparasite with suckers, feeds on the blood of vertebrates and has anticoagulant saliva. Today's topic summary. 1. Phylum Annelida includes triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, coelomate, segmented worms with a true coelom and organ system level of organization. 2. They possess metameric segmentation, a closed circulatory system, nephridia for excretion, and a well-developed nervous system, with locomotion aided by muscles, setae, and parapodia. 3. Understanding annelids through examples like earthworm, nereis, and leech helps us see a clear advance in body organization and physiology, bridging simpler worm phyla and more complex animals in the animal kingdom.